Welcome back. Happy Monday. Hope you had a good weekend. But let's get started. Today we're going to do both multiplication and division. They're not mixed together, but they are here separately. So when I look at this problem, first off, I'm going to look at the side with the variable, and that's that side of it. And since this -2 is attached to this n, that means multiplication. There's like a times symbol there. So since we're multiplying, the opposite of multiply is divide. We see that on our calculators. Here's multiplication, here's division. They're opposite of each other, just like addition and subtraction are opposite of each other. So if we divide on one side, we divide on the other. Now, once again, the number we're trying to get rid of is the -2. So that is the number we're going to put on the bottom, -2. Don't change the sign, because -2 divided by -2 is 1. 1 times n is just plain and simple n. And we like to say that these disappear, right? So we're just left with n. And then on the other side, we're going to circle it up. We're going to do 6 divided by -2, which is -3. All right, quick, easy answer there. Use different color. Green is getting kind of a little here. All right, now we're still going to look at the same side with the variable. That's right here. That's the m, and that's divided by 2. That makes a division symbol with a dot on the bottom and a dot on the top. That's what it is. The m is the dot on the top. The 2 is the dot on the bottom. This is division. So since m divided by 2, the opposite of that, what we're going to do, since it's a fraction, because this is 1/2, we're going to do the inverse of 1/2, which means flip it over. So it's 2/1. Well, if we're going to do it on that side, we're going to do it on this side. We're going to do 2/1. And the nice thing is, since we're doing fractions, we can make that a fraction. And this is going to come into play in 2 days when we start doing these with fractions. Doing this inverse is going to help you. So what happens? Our 2's cancel and our 1's cancel. I hate using that word, but that's what it is. It's 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2/2 is 1. 1 times m is m. It's just easy to say they disappear. That's what happens. Over here, we multiply the numerator. So 2 times 3, that's 6, sorry. And 1 times 1 is 1. Well, any number over 1 is 6 divided by 1 is just 6 itself at that number. So there's the answer. I'll go ahead and do 2 more. I know I usually do 2, but make you feel comfortable with it. So here's number 3. Again, we're going to cover up the side that doesn't have the variable. So we're looking at this. This is v divided by 2. So we know that that's 1/2. So we're going to flip that over, 2/1, and multiply. Same thing over here. Since we did that, it's 2/1. And to make 4 a fraction, we just put it over 1. So our 2's and our 1's now, they're opposites. They become 1. 1 times v is v. So they're gone. We multiply the numerators. So that's 2 times 4 is 8. We multiply the denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. And simply 1/8 is 8. That easy peasy on those. All right, I'll do one more multiplication. I know that's the easier one. Once again, there's the 3x. So we're not worried about this number 6. Well, since we're multiplying 3 times x, we're going to divide by 3. Well, if we divide by 3 there, we must divide by 3 there. And the reason I cover that up is because I want to know that I'm using this number 3. And just like the same thing as when I did this side, I wanted to make sure that I knew I was using this number 2 as the number that I'm flipping, or in the inverse of. So here we divided by 3. Our 3's now are gone. That leaves us with just x. And 6 divided by 3 is now 2. And there we go. The rest of them through 12 years to do. Have a good day. If you have any questions, I will be on about 1:50 on Google Meet. If I'm not, email me if you have a question. Email me. We can get on at a different time, or sometimes I forget and slip on my time. Go ahead and hit me up on the email, and I look at that all day long. Talk to you guys later. Bye.